Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the tenses. What are tenses? Tenses tell us when an action happens, in the present, the past, or the future. There are 12 tenses in total, and I'll break them down for you step by step. 3 main categories of tenses. 1. Present tenses, talking about now. 2. Past tenses, talking about before. 3. Future tenses, talking about later. The 12 tenses are: present tenses. 1. Simple present, I play. 2. Present continuous, I am playing. 3. Present perfect, I have played. 4. Present perfect continuous, I have been playing. Past tenses. 5. Simple past, I played. 6. Past continuous, I was playing. 7. Past perfect, I had played. 8. Past perfect continuous, I had been playing. Future tenses. 9. Simple future, I will play. 10. Future continuous, I will be playing. 11. Future perfect, I will have played. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been playing. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. In the next video, we'll cover all the tenses step by step, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates.